Alright, what's up, guys? Shit. Hey, I'm gonna give you guys like 10 minutes to join in. Let me know if this is blurry up here, bro. This Fortune's funny, but good morning, good morning. Let me say what's up to everybody. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. I'm about to put everything up, so give me a couple minutes here. I'm a little late on the ball, my bad. How's everybody doing though? I guess don't tell me because I can't see. Give me a second. Boom. Okay. I'm about to switch my name to. Boom. Now I can see you guys. Hi, Emmett. Hello, sir. Good morning. Hi, my man. Weekend been good. All right, for sure, bro. We back in business, baby. My bad, bro. I'm here, bro. I'm here. I'm here. I'm not in this trade. I did call it out to people. However, my meditator is showing a hella fucking fat. Here, we can actually just take this off. My meditator is showing a super fucking fat gap here. Obviously, there's a massive candle. So, what we're doing is expecting for the rest of this gap to be filled. Tap into this 5, 15, and hourly supply. And then we can continue lower, bro. So, I actually told my group to get the fuck out of this trade. We'll see what happens. Happy to be here for show. The Zen vibes in the building. How we enter giveaway. You enter it by staying here, my guy. You know what I'm saying? Somewhere between now and the end of the stream. Here, let me pop this on. Oh, this light be fucking killing me. Somewhere between now and the end of stream, I will pick a number, or I'll have you guys go on Instagram and tag me in a post or some cool ass shit. And then I'll give you a challenge account. Okay. Brother, come on, David. Don't be that greedy. It wasn't. I don't think it was greed, bro. My man just out here trying to figure out, how to get the giveaway. A big part of how I market this stream is telling you guys I'm gonna give you something. You gotta reward people for showing up to give them information. That doesn't make sense, but that's what we gotta do, bro. Appreciate all 20 of you for being here. Make sure you guys like the stream. Fired up. Me too, bro. It's about to be a nasty stream. Me too, brother. Break down the trade. Yeah, we're gonna break down everything, bro. I'm just gonna give everybody to like 7:40. I'll go grab me a fine cup of Joe, and we'll fucking run it. Streamed is always great, bro. Appreciate you, brother. And sorry I wasn't here for you guys last week, bro. It was a bank holiday, and I was like, should I just like hop on and hang out with them and shit, or just call them like, nah, bro, we're gonna hop on, and although my psychology is correct and I'm not gonna take any trades, we're gonna get into talking about the charts and breaking down the charts, and then somebody's gonna take the trade, even though I said, hey, I'm just breaking it down, don't take it. So I'm just saving people out here, fucking super. That's my superpower, I guess. Good morning, all. Thomas Teleski, what's up, brother? Welcome, all 25 of you, bro. Like I said, we got about 5 more minutes, and then we'll break it all down, bro. I've already called a trade this morning. I've already had my group get out of it, due to us wanting to fill in the rest of this gap sitting over here. So we're just out. So hopefully this fucker doesn't melt from this point and gives us what we want. But I took this off of a 15-minute setup. Lord have mercy. Like I said, about 4 more minutes, fellas, then we'll get started. Let me go post this link. I'm greedy, but only person to like the stream left vote. That's funny. You wired in today, Emmett. I'm zoned in, bro. I had a really good weekend. That's why. I just, us, not even just gurus or influencers, us people who are educating the masses, who are doing things further than what the normal person does, need to rewind, bro. And I hold that heavy to myself. It's kind of weird on weekends, honestly. I mean, Friday, Saturday, and Wednesday. Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday. I just try to, go to the beach or go on the boat or do nothing at all. Literally go on the longboard, be completely out of my head, don't take my phone with me, and cruise. It used to be a lot funner in Colorado where I could actually kick a couple times, then go down a fucking hill and have speed. And here it's like you got to kick the whole way, bro. There's no hills. But I enjoy it. I enjoy my relax and unwind. Hello, sir. I thought you were not streaming today, but suddenly realized to check this channel. Obliged. Yeah, son. Every Monday, brother. Every Monday I'm going on here. That's why I'm going to send the link right now so people aren't confused about shit. If somebody could send me the link. I already got it. Never mind. Too late. And DJ's continuing lower here. So I told the group to get out when I hopped on, when I looked at MetaTrader. And then looked at that fat fucking gap sitting right above it. But, now it looks like we're continuing lower from this point. We got about 2 more minutes, fellas, and then we'll get into full breakdowns and shit. I'm trying to get a challenge. Fuck this shit. Oh, fire. What's up? How's your guys' weekend? Anything fun or y'all cooling in the cut? And now DJ wanna melt. Laugh my ass off, Raymond. It's all good, bro. It's all good. We'll cry about it later. We'll cry about it later. It was a valid trade. I just wanted to be smart with that fat fucking gap sitting above. Weekend was good, bro. Sounds like a secret meeting to see what the market is going to do for next week. Mine was good, bro. I went to a rave on... Dude, it's so fucking hot in here. I better make sure my AC is straight. It is so hot in here, bro. When's the last time y'all seen me not wear a hoodie in here? It's 74 degrees in here. Damn, bro. It's fucking hot. It's hot. And TP1 is getting smacked here. Gotta love that shit, bro. Gotta love that shit. And TP1 hit. And TP1 hit. Lovely. DJ is a B. Left my ass off. I was still in TP. Yeah, I feel bad. I told you, Raymond, stop sitting above this. I think I sent it to the group, but yeah, it's my poor group. All right, 7:40. Let's run this shit, bro. Y'all ready? How many people we got in here? We got 33 people. All right, let's run it, bro. Let's get into this shit. Okay, how many new people we got in here? First. We got 33 people. How many new people? You don't have to answer in the chat. I'll ask you here. Are you new here? Yes? No? Boom. Start poll. Answer that, bro. Let me know. It's going to decide how we do this breakdown right now. Are we just going to cruise through it and then kick it? Or are we going to fucking slow it down and go through the whole thing? You know what I'm saying? So far we got 9 votes and... Oh, shit. You ain't the only one, Caleb. It's just the group is out of it. Okay, now it's starting to pull away. I'm like, damn, bro, you guys are all new here? Crazy. Okay, we'll give that like another minute and then we'll go from that point. 80% is no, yeah. Okay. Big fat B. Yeah, I'm new too. Oh, I thought I used to see you as this guy named You, Chosen. Caleb says still. Caleb, are you in my group? Or did you take it on your own? You in that group? Or did you take it on your own? Yeah, see, I can show you guys. I called it here. I always tell people sales are coming up so everyone has a chance to participate instead of just fucking sell here as a scalper. It's just, we gotta keep people on board. So, gave TPs, gave a screenshot. If this fails, we have another chance to supply sitting up here. And then that's when I went to my MetaTrader and I was like, oh fuck, bro, there's such a fat gap sitting up here. Even if it does play out more often than not, these gaps obviously get filled before we continue lower. So I'm anticipating the higher jump up to tap into this higher supply before continuing lower. So I told everybody to get out, and the rest is history for my poor group. Free chat, kind of surprised that you was holding that micro supply. Okay. Okay, so how's this breakdown gonna go? We got 25 votes, 84% of you say you're not new, 16% say you are new. All right, bro, we'll just kind of do half and half. So here we are on DJ on the hourly time frame. I have a 3-step strategy for all you new people. It's all it is. It's 3 fucking steps. Within these 3 steps, I'm only using 3 time frames. So I could even take the rest of this shit off, not to confuse you. It can just be gone. Okay, nothing there except for the hourly, which I don't know if you guys can see up there. You probably can't actually. The hourly, the 15-minute, and the 5-minute. Hourly, 15-minute, 5-minute. That is fucking it. That's all I use for my strategy. That is all you will ever see me use. I never go to anything else, and I never will, period. I don't use any type of correlation between pairs, except for GBP, AUD, USD. GU and AU, just considering that they're both USD pairs. More often than not, they both sync together, but I don't use any type of DXY to correlate with USD pairs or use off correlation pairs to pair with indices. None of that shit, okay? If I see a setup on GJ and it lines up, I'm going to take the setup on GJ. I'm not going to look at some other pair before I hop into the DJ trade. I need no extra confirmation except for my strategy, which is all within that one pair. Every time we do something here and hop into a trade, people ask why I don't use DXY. Simple fact is I just don't, because sometimes we'd be in a GU buy while we're in a GU sell, bro. We're just scalpers and take minute moves, and I don't need correlation between pairs, okay? But anyways, on the hourly, all I'm trying to look for is where structure is at for lay day. Okay, and if I'm confused, if none of this shit makes sense to me, because it's a bit of a choppy market, it's a bit of a ranging sideways market, we're not going fully up, we're not going fully down, well then we can go to the left until we have correct, clear market structure. I know it's zoomed out right now, by the way. When we start trading, it'll be a lot more zoomed in. But you guys need to drill this into your head. Because if you don't get this market structure down correctly, you are not going to be able to understand my strategy. This is everything in my strategy. Okay? So, nothing really. Okay, now right here, we're obviously continuing higher, and making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And then we finally break past this point. I'm so glad to talk about this trade today because we've been sitting in this fucking range for so long, bro. And we finally just broke out of it today. Okay, so this is my impulsive leg. I guess we're actually going a long way today, fellas. This is my impulsive leg. So all this states that within this leg, as long as I'm trading within this price point, I'm only looking for buys this entire fucking time. Nothing else. I'm not looking for sells at all. I don't care about retracement trades. I don't want to catch these small, minute moves. I want to get in at the best possible entry I can of this retracement so we can continue higher with the trend. We are looking to take these bigger moves not these small retracement moves. We are trend traders. Supply and demand does the best within trend. What's your view for DXY this week? You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? And so we're looking for buys this entire time, and then boom, we finally break past this higher low sitting right here. Okay. So now we can switch our impulsive leg, and that's all I'm looking for on the hourly time frame is what is my impulsive leg, so I can go down to our 15-minute and our 5-minute and find the best intricate entry to continue price to new highs, you know, unless obviously at the short chance that our market's starting to reverse, then okay. Now we can create our new impulsive leg to the downside. And now check this shit out, bro. So here's our new lower low. Here's our new lower high. This is our impulsive leg. So the entire time we're within this range, we're going to be looking for sales this entire time. No matter where the hell it's at, I'm only looking for sales. Whether it's down here, whether it's right here, whether it's up here, even if it breaks past this high barely and comes back in the range, I'm looking for sales this whole way, which we have been this entire, like almost a month, bro. And so now understanding this, and this is gonna take a while. Maybe it won't. It goes pretty fast. Look at this hell we've been sitting into, bro. Selling this entire time. Sell this entire fucking time. I wish I just changed my colors halfway through this month so you guys can't see all of my trades. But if you've seen it before I switched all these colors for you, there's so many sales within this area. You would not believe. But all sales. You see all my positions are all sales. Every last one of them. There's only 3 up here right now. But now look what happened. So many times we've broke past this point or tapped into, and again, when we get to trading, guys, it'll be more zoomed in. I just can't show it any other way besides fucking zooming this out all crazy like that. And I'll answer your guys' questions as well. Look how many times we came down to this low, bro, and never broke past it. I mean, annoying as fuck. Ever since 823, we're now at 911. I've been trying to sell this pair off in the same price point. So just kind of crazy. So I was just very happy to wake up this morning. We broke past this here again, but then we traded right back on the range. So this is still the same impulsive leg. We broke past it sitting right there, but then we trade right back within the range of the next candle. So it's still the same impulsive leg. But now we have confirmed it, breaking past these lows here, okay? We have a new impulsive leg stating that we only want to look for sales, okay? So now we understand what we want to do on the hourly, which is sell. That's all I do on the hourly time frame. No marking up for shit except making sure that I'm not going against a hourly supply or demand, okay? So now that that's understood, let's go ahead and clean shit up a bit for you guys. This is our impulsive leg. So as long as we're within this lower high and this lower low, we only plan. Let me get the questions, then we'll continue further. Bro, and what about to moving BE? When do you move? After 2 R to R? No, after 1 R to R, I move my stops to BE. And then we do management based upon exiting the same exact way we enter the market. Exiting the same exact way we enter the market. But 1-to-1, stops go to BE, capital preservation is king. And we be hitting BE trades all the time, bro. We're more R to R traders, so capital preservation and trying to hold our winners for a higher R to R is the wave and the only wave that we will ever be on in Zenlab. Because if you're to lose a couple trades in a row, which does happen to most people, even myself. It didn't happen the first 4 months we opened stream, but then the last like 2 weeks, I hit 3 losses in a row at one point. You know? But you know, within that, if we're chasing higher R to R, if most of our trades are bare ass minimum going to a 1 to 2, those 2 or 3 trades we do lose in a row get ate the fuck up by winners. They just don't mean anything. Okay. What you view on DXY? Yeah, bro, we already talked about that. The greater financial interest in any given field, that less likely research to be true. Good morning to you too, Eric. He does not do anything with R to R. We get out the same way we enter. Thank you, Chosen. Oh, you guys just answer everything. Okay, so I don't need to even answer anything. You guys are fucking the shit, dude. Okay, back to it. So now that we understand we are only looking for sells in this pair, we have to exercise our two setups. We have two different types of setups. We have a liquid grab of previous session high or low. In this case, obviously a high because we're only looking for sells. And then a supply and demand zone trade. That's it, bro. That's all I'm looking for. Liquid grab a previous session high or low or a supply zone trade. Dude, fuck you, GJ. GJ TP1 hit. Okay. And so we go to 15-minute and we mark out our liquid grab and our supply and demand zones. That is not how you spell demand. Damn, missed live. DJ says F you back. You didn't miss anything, my friend. We're cooling in the cut, my guy. Okay, so here's London sitting right here. If you guys need my setting, see, you understand I have London high sitting right here and London low sitting right here. Asian high and low sitting right here. And the New York high and low sitting right here. Every fucking day I have these boxes. I already know somebody's going to ask me, so before you do, look over here where it says Sonar Lab Sessions. Go type that shit in indicators. Go type that in. Make sure you click the star so it sits here forever. And then you as well can have the same boxes I have. Now, within that being said, make sure you guys screenshot this because I'm not going to keep it up for long. I know I have to do this every time, so I'm just going to do it right now to help all the new OGs out with this amazing fucking strategy, okay? Verified. By the way, we are 56 and 18 for the year now, guys, which is putting us at a 76%. It's like 76.3 something percent for the entire year. Documented all trades live. Those are only including trades that I have called out to the group, not every single trade I've taken in whole, just to keep it fair with all parties. Okay, so New York for me. These are my settings, what I use for my trades every single week. Okay, I don't trade Asian. Obviously, previous session high and low of Asian would be New York session. I don't trade Asian, so I just have this to show the time that I trade every day. That's all I use New York for. This is the time I trade, 9:30 to 11 o'clock. Obviously, we hop on at 7:30, but that's the start of New York session, so that's what I put it at. Yes, I do. Past talent is, you have to message me on Instagram, bro, at emmett.trades. You have to message, just look top right of your screen and you'll see my Instagram, bro. We're not here for that. You got to message me all that stuff on my page. How do you know? And then London session. London session starts at 3 a.m. Eastern to 6 a.m. That's not when London session closes. Just like with New York, 11:30 is not when New York session closes. It's just more often than not, between 3 to 6, between 9 to 11, between 7 to 10, is when they create their high and low more often than not. And so that is why I have those 3 hours marked up as my session high or low. And then Asian, again, 7 to 10 a.m. EST. The fortune details, it was pretty blurry. Yeah, and there was a way I knew it fucking was, bro. I knew it was. I'll fix it next time. I literally had this fucking thing all fixed and ready to go, and then when I hopped on, I don't know if I deleted the picture or whatever, but it got fucked up. So here, bro. There you go, my friend. Okay, that's me. Never stop trading. How to get giveaway. Stay here, bro, and fucking learn something. Okay. So these are the sessions. Make sure you guys screenshot it, take a picture of it, whatever the fuck. Take a picture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's on. Okay, boom. All right. So that's how I get those. So now understanding this, when we go down to 15-minute, all I'm doing is marking up supply and previous session highs, which is sitting right here. I got a red line sitting up here. And then we have valid supplies. We have an hourly supply, which is this big lighter box. And then we have a 15-minute supply sitting right here. Obviously, fat gap sitting before it. 200 is on our side. I will not take a supply setup unless there is a gap sitting before it, period. Somebody asked me the other day, will I ever take a supply or demand zone that doesn't have a gap before it? No, it'll never happen. We understand that this market is a corrective market. It is only looking to stop hunt every single order, not necessarily continue with trends and such. And that's why you guys will see when I take trades, you will never see me extend beyond a low or a high. I only want to trade the range where price is currently at. Anything that happens beyond it is out of my control, nor do I care about it. My job is just to trade correctly within this range that price is currently at. You understand? So we have 5 and 15 and hourly supply sitting up here. Heavy confirmation, bro. On all three of our time frames, this holds as a heavy supply. So if we can come up into it and then close and then get a break of previous candle lows, we will hop into this trade to continue lower to lows, which would be even higher RR. The trade currently running right now is a 1 to 7. This is, pretty much like a 1 to 10. Very clean trade. As far as this liquid grab setup, all I did, guys, it is literally this fucking simple. I'm dead serious. Eric, yes, I am. Unfortunately, my group is not. I've kind of fucked them on that. Yeah, 2 people are crying, and yeah. And so as soon as we broke past these London highs, and I'll go down to 5 minutes to make it a bit easier for you. It's a 15-minute setup, so I have to come back. As soon as we broke past these London highs here, I'm literally waiting for a close and then a break of previous candle lows and then hop into the trade. That's all I'm waiting for. And so as soon as we got this close here, either one, all 3 of these closes, we're just waiting for a break of these previous candle lows. It ended up happening right here. We hop into the trade. We put our stops above the highs here because we don't expect price to continue any higher. And then obviously we're chasing lows. As soon as I hopped in and this candle closed, sitting right here, I think it was this candle that opened actually. I told everybody to get out of their trade because there's such a fat fucking gap on MetaTrader, bro, which more often than not they get filled in. I put my stops above these highs, which I told free group, said they can stay in if they want. I think most people got out, and then, of course, TP1 gets hit right now, and people get fucked. But, I mean, it's what it is, bro. Trying to save you guys here with this massive fucking gap sitting up here. So, if we can get a push back up, take all the people out that held, take out all these stop losses sitting right here, and then get our reaction. We'll continue lower. But I am bearish as fuck, guys. The only thing I'm going to be doing with this GJ market today is going to be selling off. Yo, could you put a poll, Emmett? Who's in GJ sales? I want to see something. Are you new here? 78% said no. Truly an inspiration in giving, providing quality strategy. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, of course, bro. Happy to be here. Happy to be here. If you guys ask some shit and I don't answer it while we go through this, just let me know, bro, so we can go back through it. You feel me? Let me know. All right. Who was asking about this? I think it was Chosen. So let me go back to him. And we'll run through this shit. Whoa, counter trend trading was chosen, motherfucker. Okay, so go to the hourly. Same exact thing, guys. 3-step strategy. That's it, bro. I know you want more and needs to be more in your head to make it. What's your win weight? For the year, I'm at 76%. All verified. From September through May, which is the start of Zen Lab, I am sitting at a 76%. I'm not going to run through all these trades, but we can just run through the months. So here's May, 71%. Here's June, 77%. Here's July, 80.95%. Here's August. This is only for London. This is when I started to split up. Obviously, there's only 2 days in here, 1 win, 1 loss. Because I'm now doing London and New York streaming because I fucking love you guys, obviously. Here's August for New York, which is our worst month yet at 69.56. Imagine having your worst month be a 69%. And then currently we're in September. September we have 1 dub for London, putting us 100%, and then no dubs for New York until today. So that's going to be putting us at a 30%. Okay, 76% for the year, guys. All live. You want to go Check my fucking track record. Bring your beautiful self all the way over here to my channel, Emma.trades. Go to live and fucking have at all 111 videos of me going ham. Okay? Enjoy yourself. It's a little over 60 hours of knowledge here. Hey, Emmett, how do I learn what you do every day? By putting in the work, bro. Because it's all here. And it's all free as fuck. Okay? And then if you guys want to learn the actual strategy itself, got tons of videos talking about the entire layout of what I do. And then also putting you in this, would you take this trade, so you can test your skills of if you're actually picking up what I'm teaching you on a daily basis. So make sure you guys go check that out. I appreciate all 46 of you for being here. Feels nice to be back above 40 again. It's been a while. Wonder what would be the win rate without August. Fuck, bro. I'm kind of scared to do that. Because if I delete it and I can't get it back. All right, here, hold on. We'll do it this way. Okay, I can get it back. Okay, we can try it. So without August. Oh, wait, I can't do it because then I have to do all the trade. Yeah, it's too much, bro. Anyways, moving on, bro. I'm distracting this motherfucker out here. Okay, so GU, we're only through one of our pairs, guys. Let me put, I already have the TP down here set as an alarm. Okay, good deal. So GU, remember, if we are confused about where structure's at, take your ass over to the left until it makes sense, right? Obviously, this is super clean, easy structure here. I mean, at least for somebody who halfway understands structure, right? Pretty fucking clean here. And so let's start where it's the cleanest, because it gets a little choppy down here, which is going to be sitting right here. All right, boom, easy money. We'll put a line here, put a line here, we'll put a circle here, we'll put a circle here. Now we understand. If we were to break past this lower high sitting right here, we're only looking for buys. And if we were to break past this low sitting down here, then we can switch up our impulsive leg, but we're still looking for sales. Understood? Yes. So this entire time here, after this impulsive leg right here, we're just looking for sales. This entire fucking time. This entire time we're looking for sales, 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 whatever happens. And then boom, look what happens. We create a new low. Sitting right here, and we didn't start to come back within the range, confirming yes, we want to continue lower. That wasn't just a liquid grab of these lows. My favorite quote: make sure you guys aren't losing money at the same way you make money. Okay, well, which way do we make money? Off of liquid grabs and supply and demand zones. And so when we start to close past these lows, when we start to cut near these lows sitting down here, you guys see those are always my TPs, right? If I'm taking a sell sitting right here, stops are above here, whatever the fuck, my TPs are always here, not sitting all the way down here. Well, why is that, Emmett? Because of liquid grabs. We're not going to lose money the same way we make money within the markets. A lot of times we come down to these lows, we grab these lows because the market understands there's so much stop loss sitting down here, which is allowing it to gain liquidity to continue the opposite way. So again, my only job is to trade within this range for the given day. Anything beyond that, I'm going to take my profits and I'll just wait until the next fucking day to trade the next range. That's just what I do. I'm a scalper. I'm confused because you said you were waiting for demand when we are selling. Well, damn, Chosen, can I get through the fucking breakdown, bro? Okay, so now we're moving on to our next price point. We can go ahead and take this down. Boom. Boom. Bringing out our new lower high and our new lower low, right? Now we understand if we were to break past this low, still sells. If we were to break past this high, we can start buying it. Well, damn, bro, talk faster. My bad, dude. And look what happens. We ended up breaking past these lows. Now, I always tell people two candle structure. In order for a pullback to be valid, if you guys are wondering what the actual set fucking rule is for pullbacks, it needs to be two or more candles is the first part, and within those two or more candles they cannot close within the range of the previous candle. Okay, so like these sitting right here, I mean, it's fucking wishy-washy, bro. It's fucking wishy-washy. These are all closing within the range of the previous candle. I mean, they're kind of progressive. This candle didn't close in the range of this one, but this candle closed in the range of this one. This candle closed in the range of this one, right? So to me, this is really just looking like sideways movement, bro. not a valid fucking pullback. I see where people are seeing a valid pullback, and I dig it, and I kind of see it as well because we're kind of continuing higher. It's just a little bit shaky. So you have two options. You have two options. You can understand that we do have a bullish impulsive leg here if we were to count this as a pullback, because then obviously we're breaking past this high here. We broke past it right here, but then we closed back within the range. Okay, follow me here, guys, for you new people. We broke past it here, but then we closed back within the range. So this is still our same fucking impulsive leg right here and right here. Okay, get this out of your head up here. But then we came back up to break it again, and we didn't start to close back. I mean, we're kind of fucking confirming we want to continue higher. You know what I'm saying? And then now, and we're not breaking retest traders, but just to understand now it kind of looks like, okay, we've broke out of this little resistance. Now we're retesting it to continue higher. And so I fucking see both, bro. I see this as my impulsive leg, and I also see this as my impulsive leg as well. So if you guys want to trade, I guess this would potentially be the retracement trade, as Chosen would say. Because obviously we're pretty fucking bearish if you look to the left. We just have to understand if we're going to take any type of buys today, that we need to make sure we're not going against any type of higher time frame supply. Understood? And so if you guys do buy this market, make sure you're getting out before we tap into the supply, because we do expect price to continue lower. I hope that makes sense. If you guys just want to be cautious, I don't really want to play with the buys too much. It's a bit shaky for you. You don't know if the impulsive leg is here or if it's this entire move down sitting up here. Okay, cool. Then just wait for a better setup. You can wait to leave this range altogether and move on to the next pair. We have fucking 4 of them. Or you can just wait for your sales to follow, obviously, this whole trend down. So understanding that now of how I see both, we can go down to 15-minute and see what we're cooking with. So 15-minute has a nice little demand sitting down here. Okay, it's clean as shit. Nice gap sitting before it. 200 is on our side, also being used as a form of support. And when we go down to 5-minute, lo and behold, it's also a 5-minute demand as well, sitting down here. I even marked up the whole wick too, since it's so close to the 15-minute. And look what happened. We didn't tap it. Famous GU, famous GU. We didn't tap it by half of a half pip. And we continued higher. So this is what I was telling you in free chat. I'm waiting for it to tap down there, and it just didn't fucking happen. So we didn't get a trade. But that was my setup for the day, guys. So if we come all the way up here and we take out these London highs, will I take these sells? Probably not. Just because we have a bullish and bearish impulsive leg, and these buys look a lot better than those sells sitting up here. Well, why, Emmett? Because, as I always tell my group, I love liquid grabs if it was a liquid grab down. Let's say we were bullish for the day. By the way, our liquid grabs are about a 90% winning strategy. It is by far our best. If we had a liquid grab of these London lows sitting right here and we're bullish for the day, fuck yeah, all day long, bro. We can take out these lows because I see all those stop losses sitting down here of early buyers from London gaining liquidity in the market and then continuing higher, right? Deal. I'll take that shit all day long. But understanding that we're potentially bearish for the day, I mean, I'll take this demand sitting down here. But if it comes all the way up, who am I to think that one 5-minute candle, close, boom, and then hop in? Who am I to think that one 5-minute candle is going to stop the momentum of this entire fucking push-up? And one 5-minute candle break is going to be the end-all be-all for this trade, and we're going to reverse and start yeeting all these TPs down here. It just sounds more wishful instead of following the wave, right? Wishful thinking out here. And so, yeah, I mean, liquid grabs, I really would like them. Really got to be riding the wave, bro. When it's a liquid grab and there's nothing sitting above it, no type of supply or something to start to slow price down, then just stay away from it. Make sure you guys are trading with the trend. AU, Let me go read some comments real quick. I'm sticking to sales. How old are you, bro? I'm 28, bro. 20, am I 20? I'm 28, yeah. Oh my God, am I 28? My birthday was on July. It was in July. I'm 28, bro. Been a follower of FF for the longest time. Hope I nail this giveaway. Really grateful. Pow, pow. Giveaway every time, baby. Everyone obsessed on the giveaway rather than taking in the quality information Emma is giving away. Focus on the right things. What? Take me for the giveaway. Then they'll get the free account and blow it anyway. Good words. If you can do 50 push-ups, you are in the giveaway. Oh, yes. If you guys can do 50 push-ups, send me a video. Old folk problems, forgetting your age, bro. It's kind of sad. All right, anyways. Yeah, I mean, if you guys are here for the giveaway, great. Just understand that if you don't learn Emmett's strategy, what the fuck are you going to do with the challenge, bro? Let's keep it 100 here. What are you going to do with it, bro? You're going to hop on here once every Monday and take my trade? What are you going to do, bro? You're going to hop on my stream and then James' stream and then Josh's stream and then Ollie's stream and just pray to God that if we mash all 4 of these strategies together, it'll just be ungodly results? There's a lot more to the challenge than just getting it, my boy. But you never know. Maybe you're just a fucking badass trader. Go into the hourly on AU. Go into the hourly on AU. As we always say, if we don't understand market structure, we can just move to the left until it makes sense. Now, here is kind of easy, so we don't have to do so. All we know is that we're looking for sales. Let me make that an arrow. Just a sec, my baby. Boom. Let me make that an arrow. Okay, so obviously we're looking for sales, fellers. What headphones are those? Corsair HS80. HS80. No, Chosen. We're on the same page on this one, Chosen. We're on the same web page on this one. Yeah, no, we're not doing that. So impulsive leg is obviously bearish here. And this is the point. I know we're starting to see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low. Price is going higher, 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 higher. Buy, 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 buy. And some people do very well at the counter trend trading. Understanding, yes, this is my impulsive leg, but we need to retrace this up into a premium price point to sell off, right? Sell high, buy low. And so people do good with retracement trades. I'm not trying to catch that minute move. I'm not trying to be a 1-to-1, 1-to-2 trader. I want to hit the 1-to-3s, 1-to-5s, 1-to-7s, 1-to-10s. And the only way to do so, which I don't think we've ever hit a 1-to-10 on my stream so far. In order to do so, we need to only be trading with the trend period all the time. No fucking retracement trend. You know what I'm saying? So I'm only looking for sales here. However, going down to 15-minute time frame, we're still in bullish as fuck sentiment. We are not taking this trade, Chosen. Don't even look at this, good sir. We're still in bullish as fuck sentiment. Go down to 5 minute. Okay, 5 minutes starting to break past lows here, you know. Didn't break past it here. Wanted to start to continue price higher, but then boom, we finally broke it. Kind of, you know, giving credibility to these sell-offs here. So then it's like, okay, do we have any type of supply set up? We do have one sitting right here. Nice gap sitting before the zone. 200 is not on our side, but our impulsive leg is, you know. So I will see what happens at this point. It's not the worst. And then this London grab up here that we were just talking about, bro. Who are we to decide that 1 5-minute candle is going to stop the momentum of this entire fucking push-up? You know, I really like those lithographs to be when 5, 15, and hourly are all on the same page as far as trend. So we'll see what happens here. But I'm only looking for sales on AU. Obviously, if we come down to this point, sitting down here, or come down here, we have to manage our trade. Because as my group says, we exit the trade the same way we enter, right? So let's say we enter right here. Boom. Okay, I'm hopping in. Stop's going to be above the highest wick of the zone, wherever that is, 3 pips. Which, yes, I take 3 pip stop losses all the time on AU. All the fucking time. And then we're looking to chase down to ultimate lows. We wouldn't even make it down to this anyways. For a nice little 1 to 4. Remember, my job is to only trade the current range and go down to that next low. I don't care about calling the most master monster move and coming all the way down to these ultimate lows here for a 1 to 20. I'm good, bro. I'm good with these minute moves. Okay, so now if we were to come down into this demand, let's say we enter here, break a previous candle lows, and then we come down here, and then we get a break of previous candle highs, the same way we fucking entered. Don't you think we should get out of this trade because it's kind of giving us an indication, okay, it's going to come up and take us out? I mean, I would say so. And so that's always for those people who are having a hard time sticking in their trades or losing money, missing out on their trades. This is what you guys do right here. You mark it as soon as you get into your trade, you mark up your opposite end supply and demand levels. And then once it taps into those zones, once you get the same exact reaction that you got when you entered the trade, get out of the fucking trade, bro. Okay? That boy dropping gems. Sir Hans, what's up, brother? Good to see you here, bro. I'll be looking to sell. You won't blow if you sell it. How do we qualify? Damn, you guys are out here selling our giveaway challenges, bro. Yikes. Mia's winner of the giveaway. Hey, Emmett. Yo, Priya, message me on Instagram, yo. You won the giveaway for my group. Someone said that you asked last minute if you can have a town. Sure, I'll buy you a town. But you gotta message me, yo. I don't forget about giveaway winners. I got y'all. Monday bullish, an expert, upcoming days, down later power, yada yada yada, blah 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 blah. All right, anyways. So we're only looking for sales, fellas. Will I take this trade? I don't know if I have time to mark it up. Give me a sec, just in case. Does anybody have any questions so far? I know we're kind of just going ham on you motherfuckers, so I just want to make sure you guys are picking up what's getting put down. Appreciate your time and knowledge, Master. Love you, bro. Glad to help. Thanks for reminding me. I'll message you after the stream. Yeah, bro, let's run it. How much do you ideally look to make in a month percentage-wise? For account management, 3 to 5%. For my own accounts, whatever happens into the month, that's what I'm looking to hit. Account management, though, 3 to 5% to stay consistent. Once you hit that 3 to 5%, just stop. People are happy with that shit. You know, if you don't like 3 to 5% per month, if that's too little for you guys, 500% a monthers, I mean, great, dude. Just up. My goal is to up my funding so I can make more money. Instead of upping my R to R. You know, I hold my strategy as king. And so if I want to further make money from it, okay, great. I have to get up to that level of furthering my funding, furthering my personal accounts, what have you. But the skill set is there, and I don't need to allow it to be a greedy fuck and hope for my runners to run when that doesn't line up with my strategy. I can just up my funding and make more bread, bro. So you risk, how much percent do you risk per trade? I risk 10 to 15, message retracted. I risk 10 to 15% on personal account and then 1% on challenge accounts, period, bro. I mean on funded accounts, and then 1.5% on challenges. So for all of you guys who I just started all your new accounts today, it'll be risking 1.5. What did you guys just hear, bro? When is the last part that just cut out? Turn up volume, that's it. No way, bro. I'm in this trade, guys. My bad, dude. Been muted for like 5 minutes. No fucking way, dude. Let me go grab some water. I'll be right back, bro. I'm in this trade. Whatever happens, happens. I just ran you guys through the most beautiful fucking management of this trade ever, and you missed it. It's all good. We'll run through it. Give me a second. Let me grab some water. Bro, impeccable timing. Okay, all right. Can everybody hear me? Yes, I'm in, bro. King, you should know you're in my group, bro. Come on now. All right, fam. One more time. Daniel, why didn't you call Emmett? Okay, I literally just said, Eric, why are you calling me, bro? I'm on stream. Are you serious? And you were calling me for a reason. So, TP1 is right here. As soon as it hits, put stops to BE. Obviously, if he doesn't hit, whatever. I told you guys I'm not going to give this liquid grab a chance because we're not going to rely on one 5-minute candle in the middle of fucking nowhere to give us a trade. Oh, I forgot you don't have his phone number. Damn, bro. Shots fired. So TP1 gets hit, stops the BE. We come down here and we tap into this demand. And then we get a break of previous candle high just like we did here. Get out of the trade, bro. Even if that's a 1 to point fucking 6, I still hop out of the trade and secure me some profits and move on to the next trade, period. Okay? If we come all the way down here, you get a break of previous candle highs, you hop out of 1 to 3, and then obviously ultimate lows are sitting down here for a 1-4. That's the trade. I have an alarm sitting down here. Let's go through our last shit. This is not looking good anyways. I got a pretty shitty entry on this one. Maybe that's a good thing. Unless you use magic keys, maybe you got less risk. My entry is actually really nice. But obviously that's looking like that's not going to help us out anyways. My entry is, let me put this back up. It's so much easier to do entry. My entry is right here. Super fire. But looks like this is not going to play out anyways. But we'll see what happens at this point. You know, we've been here before, fellas. Okay, we do have to focus on giving our trade a potential second chance if the zone still holds. So last week I got on what was it? I think it was on Tuesday. I took 3 trades, right? So I took a trade for London, I lost. And then I took a trade for New York, I lost. And then I fucking didn't any single time that one of my zones holds, guys. So like, you know, we hop in here, this trade loses, but then the zone still holds over here. It's still holding, and we get a break of previous candle lows again. I enter right back within that trade. And still to this day, we can run through it. I mean, we ain't got time, but still to this day, only one of my second chances have not played out correctly. Only one time out of fucking 55, 56 plus 18, whatever. Like 70 trades. Only one time my second chance didn't play out. So, but anyways, on that Tuesday, I already took 2 losses. I'm like, bro, I'm just going to call it a day and kick it. And lo and behold, the fucking second chance won on GU. For those of you who remember, don't remember, whatever. But make sure, guys, if the zone is still valid, you have to give your trade a second chance, bro. You have to. You have to give your trade a second chance, period. Okay? So let me bring this back to where it's at. Okay, boom. We're starting to melt off here soon. We'll see what happens. It just doesn't look too pretty, fellers. And then NAS. NAS is clear as day as well. I mean, if it's not to you guys, we can move to the left. Obviously, this is pretty fucking clean of a break. And then we can just start taking it up from this point. Okay, I mean, it's kind of ugly here, but boom, we finally start to break past all of these higher lows here and then get a nice little retracement and then continue lower. So this is my impulsive leg here. I just want to get through this, fellas, so we can go kick it at our trade. And yeah, for those new people, this is all I trade, bro. So GJ, GU, AU, and NAS. GJ, GU, AU, and NAS. And I appreciate all 53 of you for showing up. We do have 33 likes. I know every time I'm on stream, all my people are badass with the likes. I fucking love it. And we have to continue that today. So if I don't have at least as many likes as viewers by the time we do giveaway, I mean we're gonna have to bring it all the way up to that. So like 53, you have to have 53 likes or whatever. You guys help us grow, and we have to help you guys get accounts so we can get funded. You know what I'm saying? It's a give and take here. It's a give and take. Spread this to the masses by tapping a fucking button. All right. So this is the impulsive leg, and look what happened right here. We break past this lower high, but then we close right back on the range, right here. So it's like, okay, we are still looking to sell off this market. We don't lose money the same way we make money in the markets, right? But now with the second push, we're now starting to continue higher and break past this lower high. What does that mean for us? Well, we're going to start looking for buys. Okay? He also trades Bitcoin weekends. Is that right, Emmett? Do I trade Bitcoins on weekends? No, bro. I do not. And so now we only want to look for buys now that we're starting to break past this major structure point, bro. Only looking for demand levels or break a previous session lows to enter this trade. Understood? And so we have London lows sitting right here. I'll go back to my trade in a second. It's kind of weird because I don't even have my MetaTrader up because I have to have all your guys' comments sitting up here. It's kind of whack. So London lows sitting down here. We got a nice little demand sitting right here. Why is this a nice little demand? Why is it a valid demand? Well, because it's got a gap sitting before it. You know, and it hasn't been tapped into. It needs to have a gap sitting before it, and it cannot be tapped into. It needs to be a fresh zone. Do you understand? Those two things, that's it. Okay, we have a major low to take out here before coming down into our zone. We have a major low to take out here before coming down to our zone. Pretty much here, it's a minor low. Okay, what does that mean? That means we have all of our early buyers. We all know that price is going to continue higher. We all know we want to buy up. We all know price is going higher. But in order for the market to move, it needs to grab liquidity first. It needs to take out people's stop losses first. It needs to fill in gaps first. And so look at all the stop loss we have sitting right here at this higher low. All the stop loss we have sitting right here at this higher low. We also have gaps to fill, gaps to fill, gaps to fill. So we can grab liquidity and continue higher. What happened with GJ? I'm getting alarms going off. Is that good or bad? Okay, good. So TP got fucking obliterated on GJ. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. TP smacks. One sec, bro. What happened, bro? On and it tapped too. Beautiful. Oh, whoops, my bad. TP1. TP1 smacked. TP1 smacked. Okay. So AU TPs are smacked. Now what do we do from this point? Emmett. Let me go back to you guys and can we get some dubs in the chat, Bellers? Thanks. So what do you do at this point? You know, nothing at all. You guys put your stops to BE here, and we can just focus on this trade now, fellas. Let's just go ahead and stick it here. You put your stops to BE. For you soft one-on-one traders, great. Go ahead and take your profits out. Hang out for the day. Love it. For those others who are looking at R to R, you have to accept that you may get taken out BE here to get more percentage. Okay? It is what it is. And so we wait. Wait for it to come down to this demand if you don't get taken out B, and then see what happens from that point. Looks like we're going to get taken out B here. Ugh. But we'll see. Massive does. Eric, let's run it. Disney Plus is first sponsor. Such a beautiful trade, fellas. But I'm about to get taken out. I'm out. Ugh. Damn it. Fucking whore. Well, we had dubs in the chat while it lasted, fellas. Congrats. No congrats, bro. I didn't catch anything on this. I can see all trades in line. My bad, fam. I forgot to send out a link to the people. You know, what a loser. So Hans, are you still here, bro? Any chance that you sent this out to the Discord, bro? Any chance you got me like that, bro? We live. Okay. He doesn't even know what's going on. 1-to-1 RR, it's high win rate. Oh yeah, Paul. My 1-to-1 is, bro, we'd probably be fucking 93% easily. No, I don't know. 1 second, guys. I'm putting my Zoom in here like a fucking hour later, dude. Feel bad. Who cares about the win rate? It's cool to flex it on social media, but in reality, you would be surprised how down they are overall. The same people try to sell you on the 95% win rate. Yeah, bro, for real. Okay. Laura Wens Pierre said, "Oh, it's all good, bro. Capital preservation is key. Yeah, this would hurt right here if we continued to hit new lows and fucking hit TPs. It's like this shit happens, bro. And then understand the mechanics of what's going on, just to be completely transparent with you guys. Okay, when we broke past this is just shit you guys just have to look at. But I tell you that the market's a corrective market, right? We have to fill in gaps. We have to fill in. We have to take out highs. We have to take out stop losses before continuing in either direction. When this did fill and break past these previous candle lows, look what it left in its wake. A fat fucking gap, bro. A fat fucking gap. And what happened? Ended up filling in that gap. Let's see what the minute looks like. Nothing really much in the minute. Ended up filling in that gap, and now it looks like it's going to continue lower here. You know, it is what it is. First name for the firm. Let me know if you have some other ideas. Yeah. But yeah, ain't that a bitch? One 683 fire. I hooked up a gang of new accounts, bro, so I just want to make sure that they're all working correctly and shit, you know? That's all. Oh, fuck. 9-6. Okay, cool. All right, any questions? What's up, yo? Who cares about the win rate? Yeah, ain't nobody saying nothing. Appreciate all 44 of you guys for showing up. Look what happened with GJ, bro. TP2 smacked on GJ for my group. So unfortunate. TP2 183 309. Yeah. TP2 hit on this as well. Two dubs on the day. Couldn't participate in either of them. Ain't that a bitch? Kind of annoying. For real, Alessandro acting like he didn't steal your trade. Wait, Alessandro, what happened, bro? What did I miss? Lorwen said, how you miss out on this trade? There was a fat fucking gap sitting up above here, bro. And so I told them to get out. And so my whole group missed out on this trade. Oh, shh. Who called it first? 820. 821. Damn, I just literally stole my student's trade. Yikes. Yo, you stole my signal. My bad, bro. Look, so in my group, guys, I have a student trade section where they can call their own trades. And so at the end of, I guess we'll just give you the rest of this month and we'll try it. At the end of this month, there's a format that they have to put up. You know, sell, pair, entry, stop loss, TP1, TP2. That's it. And then I can hook it up to a bot that every time they take a trade, it'll take it. And then once TP1 gets hit, okay, good exit here. Oh, thank God. Once TP1 gets hit, fire exit here, fellas. It puts stops to BE, and then once TP2 gets hit, it takes it out, bro. That like, as long as it hits TP2, they make bread. And so I said at the end of the year, if they were to make any money, which you know that would be sad because I got a lot. I had a lot of people. I got 14 plus 26. 14, that's 30, 40 people, right? Yeah, 40 people. I got 40 people in here. And whoever participates in that section, they will get to split their profits at the end of the year, which I bet you is going to be the worst fucking idea in the world because I have to split it up between a million people. But we'll see how it happens, and we'll see. The whole point of all this, as I told you guys, was, you know, it's easy to show people that you're good at trading and obviously to be a good trader for yourself, but it's hard to actually duplicate the skill set. Because honestly, some people are just motherfucking wizards out here, bro, and understand things of the markets through experience that they cannot teach other people to do the same. Nothing wrong with that. But as an educator and somebody who firmly believes I have one of the easiest strategies in the entire world, you know, literal 3 steps. Literal, I think I can teach somebody my whole strategy in a couple days from scratch. Obviously not the whole mechanics of the market and everything as a whole, but my strategy as a whole, I think if I sat down with somebody for fucking 8 hours even, bro, I genuinely think I can teach them the entire strategy. And so duplication is key. And this will be fun to show with this as long as people are taking things seriously and not being a fucking idiot. If the duplication is working correctly. And it's all going to be dependent on you guys and how that works out. So either way, fantastic trade. Yes. You're still in that, Daniel? Fucking finally, bro. Just turning my people into ghosts by the day, you feel me? That's how we do out here. Oh, Daniel, I don't have your shit, bro. I forgot. Whoa, 8 cap is rough. Wow, 8 cap is fucking god awful. Can I just put that out here for all 46 of you? 8 cap is god awful. Again. Anyways. Yeah, US 30, bro. We can run through US 30. I know somebody said that just a bit ago. So, go to the hourly on US 30 and let's look at our impulsive leg. Oh, we already got it marked out. We got a lower high sitting up here. We got a lower low sitting down here. Boom, okay? Don't worry about any of this shit. We understand this is the impulsive leg. And anything that happens beyond this point, our only job is to look at a way to get into the markets at the best entry to continue price lower. We're only looking for sales. We don't care about the retracement trade. And so understanding that, going down into the 15-minute, we have to find some type of supply or break a previous session highs. And boy, price is bullish as fuck on smaller time frames. Okay, go to even lower time frame. Okay, clean. We got a nice little break of this lower high sitting right here. 2B in bearish structure, and we have a nice little supply sitting up here. Beautiful. Gap sitting before it. Tons of stop losses to take out before coming up into it. Could you imagine? Imagine how much liquidity is sitting above these equal highs here. So if we can take them out, everybody knows the market already wants to continue lower. Let's take out these guys here that are hopping in at a 80% retracement of this impulsive leg. So they're starting to sell off now, thinking they're getting at a premium price. Little do they know, the premium price is sitting up here. So let's take out all these guys. If we tap into the zone, we can participate in a sell-off. And market's not even close to opening, bro. We have 45 minutes before New York session opens. So volume could hop in at that point. Maybe we'll just consolidate sideways now. Volume can step in, tap into the zone, and then you can continue lower. But I'd only be looking at sales for US 30. He is giving away a boatload. Okay, I missed a lot of shit. Shout out to Alessandro. This is his trade. I love you, bro. Is that good enough? I mean, it's true, Emmett. If you're gonna look at one payout or withdrawal from a trader, and that's gonna convince you he's a profitable trader, I would question your experience, which is why investors look at 1 to 3 years of track record before investing in that trader, because it's enough data. So yeah, I'm a part of a hedge fund right now. I don't. Well, I don't know if we talk about that. I'm a part of a hedge fund right now. Whatever. Pretty much, they came to me and said, "Hey, we're looking for traders. If you can trade for us for 3 months and achieve a profit, we will give you X amount of money to trade with." And so I'm like, dope. And so, dude, you have to send them a fuck ton of shit. I had to send them my whole journal. I had to send them withdrawals. I had to show them the accounts I have. I had to show them what's it called? Withdrawals, accounts, and my journal. Oh yeah, and then my YouTube, so they can see it. I'm doing everything live and shit. And then they review it, and then based upon how much, um, what's it called? Data you have is based upon how much they will give you if you pass the trial run. Just because you're more of a seasoned trader. I was only able to provide them evidence of the past like 6 months, and so they're giving me less than they are the guys who have 2+ years of track experience, because they really want the 2+ years of track experience. So, um, yeah, I don't know where I'm going with this, but yeah, bro, you you have to have a very long track record to be profitable, not just 1 month, and then you could start boasting about it. Like, it takes time. It takes a lot of building up of withdrawals and funded accounts or personal accounts or whatever. It takes a lot. But yeah, I'm verified in my own world, my friend. If you guys look through all the things that I'm showing you and you don't think I'm making money out here, or you don't think this is a correct strategy, or I go win fucking 5 trades in a row or 7 trades in a row, and it's just like, oh, that's luck. Everything's explained. It's got to be luck. Or, I mean, good for fucking you, bro. That's just an issue you're going to have to deal with on your own. When we do start, I do plan on trading MetaTrader here. It's just not going to be with FDMO. It's not going to be with Hango. It's obviously going to be with Fortunes. And I'm still doing the challenge account with Fortunes. I just started it like a week ago. So you guys got to give me time. Sorry. Damn, the Matrix is in charge of that headset? Oh, yeah, bro. It's just Dan Lee with the best con. It's similar to getting a loan at the bank. How much percent do they expect? We couldn't hear. And that's what I asked him too. He doesn't expect a certain amount of percent. They just want to make sure that you're not losing money. Do you understand? But within the course of a year, they expect 30 to 50% for 12 months, which is like, hell yeah. Which is, yeah. So, but anyways, that's it. You guys need a lot of documentation before you hop into my realm. And also understand, once you get that documentation, no one's going to people just call cap with anything anyways, no matter what you do. So, and like I always tell people in my group, bro, you can see you have to see the growth. I'm not saying people need to buy Lambo. You don't see me buying Lambos. I mean, I did buy 2 cars last year, but I'm not buying Lambos and shit. But you should progressively see growth from your mentor who you're trying to learn from. And I'll just keep it at that. No shade talking, no nothing. You should just progressively see the guy who you're following be doing better in life. It could be minute or little. It doesn't have to be fucking living in a 3-bedroom home to doing a sky rise that's 20 racks a month. Whatever, bro. But they do need to be upgrading a little bit. Understood? It's like, just be fucking smart. You need to show him results from a regulated broker. No, it can be unregulated. They don't give a fuck about that shit, bro. They care about results. They don't care what broker you trade on. Saw a video they talked about hedge funds want to see regulated brokers. No, a lot of people frown upon like MFX book. My my FX book and shit because you can cap it, you can lie about it, you can skew it. But they're not just giving me money. That's why I have to trade for them for this account for 3 months and show them how well I'm doing before they give me capital. It's literally like a prop firm, but just for a lot more money. Let's keep it real. I'm literally doing a prop firm talent for a hedge fund. What are you talking about? 35% a month is insane. Yeah, yeah. They want to see you trade with MFM. Yeah, that didn't age well. You should have gave AU a second chance. Especially all that talking I'm doing, huh? That's just me talking, bro. Although, I'll keep it 100 with you. At 6 pips. And a 1 to... Oh, it is a 1 to 2 lows. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I really like tight as fuck stop loss on AU. But yeah, it is. This happens so much to us lately. It's been kind of annoying. Take you out, but like a pip or two, and then continue to hit all TPs. You know? I would have gave this trade a second chance, but I'm out here talking. It's all good, bro. Can you tell how many percent they give you from profits? I haven't done it yet, bro. But it's close to prop firm. It's close to prop firm percentages. About how much capital can we get through hedge? I don't think this is really a me thing, guys, from having connections to be able to get this deal, to be totally honest with you. It's not really an us thing, pal. But I'll bring you guys through the whole process because I think it's time. I was just like talking to my girl about it. As you guys know, my girl's a financial broker, financial advisor, and she has a heavy emphasis on compliance. And I just told her, I was like, it's so crazy the track records and things you need to work for a hedge fund the correct way, and the licensure you need. And like here I am doing like a challenge for like a real hedge fund that is fucking big, just based off of like marketing and shit. But it's amazing, and I'm just not gonna talk about it, but it's amazing what they can do to a normal person like me who doesn't have licensure like my girl does, to do these type of things legally. Just the little things they do, you know. I'm out at the break of 5-minute highs on GJ. Okay, so let's see what happened here. Okay, you fucking goat. Okay, so this is all Daniel did. He held this trade out that I called earlier. And as soon as we broke past previous session highs, sitting right here, you did better than me, Daniel, by the way. As soon as he broke past previous session highs, sitting right here, he hopped out of the trade. Nice little 1 and 3, easy money. Easy fucking money. Right here. Daniel executed exiting the market the same way he entered the market, which I preach. And we'll see what happens. We'll see if more TPs hit and he missed out on a 1 to 7. Or if he had the correct exit at a 1 to 3, which I'm sure he's just fucking fine with the 1 to 3. Did I do it right, bro? Let me ask some questions you know the answer to, pal. So, Emmett, your strategy is based on 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute. Appreciate, yay, we hit 50 views. Good job, guys. We got 44 likes, which means you guys are catching up. Giveaway is coming in hot and coming in soon. So, Emmett, your strategy is based on 1 hour, 15.5. Is it possible to translate the strategy to 15.5.1? Take the bias from 15 minute and trade on the 1 minute. Love the thought process, for 1. I'm feeling it cooking in the brain, for 2. And so 3, Capricorn, if you understand my strategy on the 1 15-minute, 5 minute, and you want to bless us with the sample size and documentation of does this strategy work on the 15, 5 minute, 1 minute, we're all ears. Because I would love to know myself. I just never did the actual, the documentation behind it. You know what I'm saying? Keep everything completely true. So 15 minute, you look for your impulsive leg. 5 minute and 1 minute, you look up your supply and demand levels and break a previous session high or low, which is going to be hard. Which is going to be hard for the liquid grabs of previous session high or low. Could you imagine? Because look what happens. As you guys know, and new people, let me break this down to you right quick. To make sure you listen, please. for liquid grabs a previous session high or low when we are to close, okay? So when we are to close outside of this high, this is London high sitting right here. We close, and then we're waiting for entry. Our entry candle that we're waiting to break past previous candle lows has to trade back within this London range here, bro. It has to. Because if it doesn't, and we take this fucking candle right here, okay? And let me just zoom in. I know this is kind of hard here. Here's the range over here, this whole box. And we were to take this candle right here. We're breaking past this candle lows, but it's not breaking back within this range. This could easily, bro, just be a break and retest to continue higher. We see it so many fucking times. And so again, when you take this setup, you have to wait for previous lows to break to hop into this trade. And they have to be breaking back within this range. It is extremely important. My bad, right here. When it breaks past these previous candle lows, it has to break back within this range. It is understanding that. Okay, let's go to the hourly. This is the last high here. We broke past it here, break a previous candle low sitting right here, stops above highs. Immediately clapped in like 2 minutes. I just don't think it's powerful enough to do liquid grabs of previous session high lows. Now, supply and demand, because you can see the actual, whatever, Daniel. Supply and demand, you can actually see the reaction off of the zone, and maybe the 1 minute works good for that. But as far as these liquid grabs of previous session high or low, in my opinion, you heard it here first, I would not use 1 minute as an entry. I would stick to that 5 minute, brother. Okay? But if you understand the strategy, dude, sample size that shit for me and let me know. It'd be fucking awesome. You have the leverage negotiating on the principal. Good start for the Monday, yes, sir. How to become your student? At Emmett.trades. Oh, you guys can't see that shit up top. So annoying. At Emmett.trades, bro. That's my Instagram. Go ask me there. This is for Fortunes, my friend. But you know we here, bro. I'm here for Fortunes and myself. So there it is. At Emmett.trades. Go message me on Instagram. Holla. Hello, it's your boy Blue. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything, and then we'll continue further. But look how clean that is, exiting the same way he enters. Good job, Daniel. It's so beautiful. That's how you fucking start your morning, bro. That's how you fucking start your morning, brother. Oh. Nobody saw that one coming today. It's like kind of a minor high to take out here, fellas. Kind of though. We don't even get two candle structure. Y'all know how I feel about that shit. I know you got two candle structures sitting up here, but it's range candles. But I see it though. We tap into this guy. Nice gap sitting before it. And then you're getting break of previous candle lows right now to get into the trade. The entry already happened. I'm not getting this trade. I'm just fucking have it up. Need 3 trades for the day. My poor group didn't get to capitalize on any of them. Oh, yeah, some of them actually did. Never mind. Good job, Daniel. Ready to run it this week. Yeah, bro. Yeah, so I told you guys that there would be wins here. Unfortunately, it was only 1-1, so I couldn't participate on one of them, but we'll still put them in. GJ, September 9th, 10th, 11th. Look a grab. We won, but we broke even. Okay, then we come over here. Copy link, boom, boom. And then I put my link in here. So I can fucking review all this shit all the time. Out because news job, out because couldn't manage. Okay, and then our last one was another sell. AU. Supply. Win B. And what happened with that? TP1 got hit again. We'll see what happens at this point. So even now, like, yeah, I would have got out a second time here with a 1 to 0.6 period. Still, bro, I still would have been out of this AU trade. AU just wasn't my day today. GJ was. Okay, let me put this down here. Boom, and then out because TP1 hit. 1 to 1. Okay. What is the hedge fund called, Emmett, that I asked you? I might have heard of them, just curious. Or is it private investor that offered you this? Yeah, bro, I'm not going to discuss that. Can you give me your POV on... no, my Grace has her... No, my girl has her Series 6, Series 7, and Series 63. And there's one more, right? 63, 6, 7. And 23 or something, 24, whatever the fuck, I don't know. It's called Notion.com, bro. It's called Notion.com, baby. You feel me? If you want it, here, I'm not going to bring you guys to my group, but, oh yeah, I am. I don't give a fuck. It's okay. I'm going to bring you guys to my group. So here's my free channel. If you go into pin messages, fellers, free channel. Again, free, not paid, free. If you want to go to my paid, go to my Instagram. In the pin messages, you can go look up this journal. And then you can get the entire fucking thing. So like, and we'll just run you guys through a clean month. I did this with Luca because he's using my shit now too. Buy or sell, okay? So boom, buy right here, okay? Or sell. It's the only one you need to type in. Buy or sell right here, okay? Buy, boom. Pair. I got all my pairs written out right here. Hit it. It was a GU trade. Date. Today's the 11th. You can put your time if you want. I used to put my time. So you see include time down here? I used to put my time. This is how I was able to sample size my way into understanding what time I like to trade, which is pre-New York instead of only New York. How did I do so? By logging every time of all my trades and seeing when I'm more profitable. I am more profitable a couple hours before session instead of right up to session. Okay? So if you guys need to go through that, sample size it, include time. The sample size that you can get done from this fucking journal, the things you can do with this journal over time, all this data I have and what I've done with it is fucking amazing. And trust me, as my group knows, we talk about it all the time. Before I was using this journal, I was still journaling. Is this the one? This is one of them. Bro, I have literally, like, wait, is this the journal? Oh, this is the old one. So I literally have pages for fucking ever, bro, of backtesting. On this one. I got this one here. I got my whole journal. I put all my profits for the day. I mean, bro, I'm logged out here. Because as I tell everybody, sure, we may be a 76% trader right now. My work isn't done. I plan to be an 80%, 85% trader consistently every fucking month. I can do it. And how can I do it? Not by having faith or thinking I'm potentially going to be the best trader, by sample sizing my strategy and strengthening my edge. It's very simple. Okay? So go to setup type. We have supply, demand, liquid grab. And by these are all labeled in what I just sent you guys. Like you can use this exact fucking thing. Just make sure when you guys tap into it, go to the top right and press duplicate, and then it'll allow you to edit it for yourself. Okay, we can put it as a supply setup, WL, or break even. We got to talk about this, okay? So if it's a win, you can put in a win. If it's a win break even, you can put in a win break even. But what you cannot do is put in an L. Because look, it says you're a 100% trader. That's cap. You're not. You're a 0% trader. So if it's an L, just make sure you guys keep it empty. And then if it's a win, make sure you guys keep it full. Do you understand? Boom. So if I added another one right here, now this is empty, we're a 50% trader. If I were to put a win in there, it'd be a 100% trader. I just want to make that very clear here. Okay, and then risk to reward. You guys got a ton of options. 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Most of my trades do not go past 1 to 5 damn near ever. 1 to 5 is it. So that's why I only have a 1 to 5 here. Out because S&D is holding against me. If we have an S&D that's right before the TP1, it starts holding against me, I may get out. So I have that as an option. Out because news drop. Let's say we enter. We can only take a trade 30 minutes before news, 15 to 20 minutes after news. But let's say we entered 30 minutes before and it's fucking consolidating. We got 5 minutes and we're sitting at BE. Boom. I might just get out because of news. I don't trade news, bro. I got to be in heavy profit or I'm not trading it. Period. I'm not doing it. Okay. And then we have out because 1 pip from TP1, meaning obviously we came 1 pip from TP1. I told everybody put stops to BE and then it came out to take us out. And then this is just because couldn't manage. Had to go somewhere or whatever the fuck, you know, whatever the fuck. And that's out because manage. And then over here, make sure you guys, and we'll just run through this as well. You see this handy dandy camera sitting up here? Copy link, bro. Handy dandy camera sitting up here, copy link. Boom, I copied it. And then when we go back over here and we type in M link right here, you just click it, copy paste, boom. Now look what we got when we tap this. Now we have our fucking log. Obviously that's trash and it should look like, you know, should look like this. Oops. And then boom, when you click it, it's got your whole shit. You know, it just then you guys have everything documented. And another thing I was telling my group, you gotta face the noise, bro. If you're fucking around, if you're doing dumbass trades, FOMO ass trades, trading outside of your session, stupid shit, you have to face the noise every day and come in and type it up. That sad fucking excuse for a trade. And I think over time, understanding this, you just start to take more high probability setups. I got a lot of pressure on my trades. I got to feed fucking 40 people in my group. I got 50 of you sitting here right now. I got 90 of you right now that I got to feed based off these trades. So you best fucking believe it's going to be 100% high probability setups or I'm not going to take it. Period, bro. It's just how I roll. So hopefully, you know, obviously I don't want any of you guys to start a group until you actually know what you're doing, but at least start a journal if you're not doing so already. Hold yourself accountable. If you take a shitty ass trade, no, you don't get to walk off the computer and not put that in your journal. Get your ass over here into the journal, put it in and say, damn, bro, I shouldn't have taken that trade. Or, okay, I lost this trade, go look at it. Okay, I'm not mad that I lost this trade. These fuckers took me out of my 5-minute zone and went up into the 15-minute zone, and we ended up hitting all TPs. It's all good. But you can live with that because you know you traded correctly. And I think over the course of a short amount of time, bro, a couple months of you guys seriously documenting every trade you take to the full, all of this, I think just from that alone, your percentage is going to go up a bit because you're not taking horseshit ass trades or revengeful trades because there's no option in here for revenge. What's the setup type revenge? That shit ain't in here, bro. Why are you taking that? You know? Oh man, A or whatever. EU's looking so good right now. Might take that because homeboys tell me to take her and I'm watching homeboys stream, go on my list. Okay, wait, I don't trade EU. So why the hell am I here in the first place? And it's just accountability. You understand? So you have dogs. Oh yeah, my bad. I gotta go feed my dogs real quick, guys. Give me a sec. They're probably starving to death. Just give me 1 minute. All right, what I miss? I'm out, brother. People start to the week off to bed so I can go to work in the afternoon. Deuces. Shout out to you, Daniel. Caught a whole 1 to 3 off of that trade. What's the name again of the journal? Notion, bro. Pretty surprised why your girl isn't trading like you, especially that she has huge experience and well educated and certified. She just don't care about it, bro. My girlfriend wants to sit outside naked as fuck and garden all day long. If she could do that every day and nothing else, she would be the happiest lady on planet Earth. Okay, Emmett, then why did she get into finance? We don't know. She doesn't know. I don't know. She doesn't give a fuck about it at all. Could care less about finance, could care less about money, could care less about moving further in life because of money and money status and money cars and money houses. She don't give a fuck, bro. I bet that chick, if I threw her ass in a fucking trailer home, told her she didn't have to work anymore, just garden and make sure we got fucking food, she'd be happy. It's just like what she does. She's just a hippie motherfucker. That's what she does. Ooh, good thing he hasn't take this trade. It's just these fat ass zones. I don't like these fat fucking zones like this. I just want to make sure there ain't something else I could take. Give me a second, guys. Good exit, Daniel, on GJ. Such a clean strat. Nothing happening here. We're just continuing higher. We are leaving a demand in our wake if we can come down here. Well, Emmett, why don't you take that higher demand sitting up here? Oh, there's so many demands. Holy shit, there's so many of them. This is the only one I take down here, literally. More often than not, there's a zone sitting below another zone. More often than not, it's going to take out that higher zone and continue lower. As far as this demand sitting right here, I will not take the zone sitting right here because there's no major or minor low to take out before coming down to the zone. Okay, we'll run through that real quick. Here's a major low. Whoops. Sheesh. Here is a major low to take out before coming up into the zone. Okay? People stop loss. I always tell you guys, we need to take out somebody's stop loss before continuing. These are people's stop losses. This is us taking them out, coming to a valid demand, and then continuing higher. That's why I won't take this trade. Or a minor low to take out, meaning this low did not create highs before coming down into our zone, but there's still liquidity there. There's still stop losses. We all know which way the market's going to go. We got to take people out before we enter to continue. This didn't happen here yet. This would be the liquidity. This would be the low to take out, and that's why we can't take this zone. We have to take that lower zone. Nas is entering hourly supply. I think it's pretty far away, my guy. It's pretty far away, bro. It's honestly too small to mark up just the body, but yeah, it's far away, bro. But you know, once you tap into that, don't be trying to buy in the zone. People get fucked up with that. Look at what just happened. We just filled in this huge gap sitting right here. We just gained so much liquidity to continue price lower. And so if you guys want to buy, great. But as soon as we tap into this hourly supply, it is game over for you, sunshine. And then US 30, somebody was talking about it's tapping into something. We have hourly demand sitting right here. Oh, wow. It's nice. And then oh, wow. This is nice. I don't trade US 30, but I'll call it for you guys. And I don't trade outside of my 4 pairs, but I will happily call it for you guys if it lines up. You feel me? I got you. Shoot or shoot. My strategy is king, my guy. Anytime it lines up, I will hit every time. But if it's not my pairs, I'm not taking out my shit. I join your group. Govind, you did? Oh, my free group. Yeah, appreciate you, bro. Thanks. Welcome. Welcome. I fucked up and forgot to do a count before I told you guys to join in, so I don't even know how much I gained. Fuck. Because we're at 208 plus 39, which is what? 248, 247 plus 15, 257, 262. 262, okay. Emmett, why don't you trade US 30? I just don't. No reason. We tapped into this hour. Oh. You guys tapped into this 15-minute supply. Let's see if we can get into that 5-minute up there. 15-minute did tap though. You still have to wait for this candle to close if you want to hop into that 15-minute. You don't just hop in, bro. Can we go for 3 1-to-1s today? Just kidding. Showing love from Jamaica. Appreciate you, Romaine. What's up, bro? What is the session indicator you use? Nathan, go to indicators and type in Sonar Lab sessions. Okay. Can't take this. Can't take this. Can't take this. You have to wait for this to close and then break a previous candle lows. Can't take this yet. Regardless. Y'all gotta wait. Boy, do we got breakout traders in the chat now, though. As soon as that candle closed, sheesh. Breakout traders ready to go. They're about to get fucked up, too. Boy, do we got breakout traders in the chat. We're going to have to get these break and retest traders in the chat. So maybe we'll come up, tap into this break and retest area, continue higher, and then get you guys in here. But I'm seeing liquidity form heavy here. Breakout traders, immediate profit, immediate drawdown. Have winner already chosen? Nah, bro, we're about to do that right now at like 9:20. 55 people, 50 likes. Oh, yeah, you guys are ready for that giveaway. Okay, so let's get set up for that shit. Which means, what did I do last week? I gave you guys a no, I didn't. We did the full 25K. All right, bro, we'll do it again. I'll give you guys a choice. What type of giveaway? One big account, 3 smaller accounts. Ooh, really wanted to tap into that 5-minute. Oh God, it's bleeding. Oh God. Who's hopping into this? This is on you guys. Oh, it's just going. It's cruise. It's going. Unfortunate. Okay, so as soon as it breaks past lows, this will be your guys' entry. If this was NAS or anything, I'd be hopping in this bitch for sure. Did we get it? Not yet. As soon as you break past, run it. Which would mean a 25-point stop loss. Which would mean TP1 is sitting right here. Right at demand, which is pretty nice. You know, not bad. Just want to make sure that we're not breaking retests in this area. But there's nothing you can do. You know, you'd have to hop in. And then if you guys fucking lost, then you would have to hop in second chance if it came all the way up to this 5-minute. It just is what it is. Or you can be the crazy person and put an additional 15-point stop to protect yourself from all of it, not even getting 1 to 2 to lows. You know, that's just what people like to do. Or you can stick with me and get a nice little 1 to 3 right here by potentially just giving your trade a second chance. Okay, so you'd be in this trade now. Let's go. No, I'm not in this trade. But you guys would be in if you wanted it. That would be it. I would call it. Yeah, Mario, you missed out, bro. No, you're just fucking with people. Okay, now EU. Yeah, we'll look through these last like fucking 3 pairs, bro, and then we'll do giveaway and get on out of here. I'm cooling for the day, to be honest. So hourly. Remember, if things just don't look correct, we can just move to the left until they make sense. Okay, obviously this makes sense sitting right here. Easy money. Boom. Okay, and so what happens? We put up a circle. Pow. Put up another circle. Boom. And there are 2 lines. Here. Or my headset is actually like fucked today. 50-50, 1 big account. Yes, finally you guys are gonna choose a big account, bro. That's dope. 26 votes. Dope. Yes, 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 yes. Big account, big account, big account. What you mean small account? 25K is 110K, bro. 25K is 110K. Okay, so this is our bearish impulsive leg, bro. Yes, we were to break past it right here, but then we close right back on the range, dude. Yes, we were to break past it right here, but then we close right back on the range. Kind of looked like we were going to break and retest, but then we just continue higher, bro. Don't get caught up in that shit. You know? But either way, what is any of this telling us? Not shit at all. We're still going to sell off, period. You know? Until we break past this lower high sitting up here, that's when we can look for buys. And so go down to 15 minutes. Like, okay, we got to find some type of supply or previous session high to take out to participate in these sales. So right off the rip, we have a nice little EU supply sitting up here. This is 15 minute. We got to go down to 5 minutes, see if we can tighten that up. Go down to 5 minute. And we cannot tighten that up. But the same exact shit, we just got to mark it up. We got extra confluence now because it's a 5 and 15 minute supply. Wow. Okay. And so if we were to break past previous candle lows after tapping into the zone, then you guys can go ahead and take this trade. It's a valid trade. Nice gap sitting before it. 200 is not on our side, but impulsive leg is on our side. And you have this major high to take out sitting right here before coming up into our zone, i.e. stop losses. We got early sellers sitting right here. Okay. So what happens? Let's say this guy were to fail. Come up, boom, boom, boom. We get our entry here and we're off to the races. We thought, but then it continues higher. Okay, well, let's look to the left and see how we can participate. Well, we got London highs sitting up here. Clean as fuck. So many seller stop losses sitting right here. And so if we can come all the way up, tap in, potentially slide into this demand as well. I mean, it's not a demand that I would take because it's already been tapped into. No, it hasn't. Oh, so clean. It hasn't yet. So clean, bro. So yeah, you guys have two options. It can either hold right here. We're just waiting for break of previous candle lows, or it could come all the way up and give you an entry right here. But either way, the fact remains the same. I'm only looking for fucking sales on EU today. Okay. This is like speed round right now. Everybody wants to check everything. US 30 is just cooling in the cut, bro. Not really doing anything. Let's go ahead and go to gold. So gold, hourly time frame. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? If obviously structure doesn't make sense, we just go to the left until it does. Okay, now it makes sense to me. This is our impulsive leg. Now, this shit here, there's no discrepancy. This is sideways movement. This is nothing at all to be confirmed as a retracement, bro. It's clearly sideways movement. Okay, so this is our impulsive leg. We do have a circle sitting up here. Boom. Sitting down here. Boom. And then we have our high and our higher low here. Okay, that's our impulsive leg. We break past this high, we can continue to look for buys, just a new impulsive leg. We break past this low, we can finally start to look for sells. But until then, we're fucking buying this entire time. It just so happens that we came all the way down to this 100% retracement, which is also the demand sitting right here, before continuing higher. Okay, so we're only looking for buys. Now we can go down to smaller time frames and see what happened. We got a nice little demand sitting down here. Looks like those London grabs are playing out. Had to give it a second chance though. We have a demand sitting down here. Small candle. And then we have a demand sitting way the hell down here, but there's no gap sitting before it, so we won't take it. And then go down to 5 minute. Let me bring this back to trading time, and we'll see if we can tighten those up a little bit. Family. This is all ugly. Because I could tighten this up, there's no gap. This is all voided to me. No gap sitting before the zone. And this has already been tapped into. Oh, we have a clean one here. Oh, that's so fucking clean. Okay, so that's what it's reacting off of right now. You have your 200 sitting right here. There's a nice demand sitting here. Gap sitting before us. And we have a minor high to take out before coming down into our zone sitting right here. Right? It's a minor high because it didn't create new highs after it was created before coming down into our zone. And then boom, we tap in. That's so clean, bro. Oh my God. Boom, you tap in. As soon as it breaks previous candle highs, you hop in here. 1-to-1, you put stops to BE, which is sitting right here. Boom. And then we're off to the races. We are looking for highs sitting up here. As long as we don't get some type of odd reaction sitting at this demand that it's currently in. Understood? So already, period, you guys already made a 1 to 1.4 if it were to break past these lows. But we are looking to chase that 1 to 2.5 if it can get all the way up to highs. The trade has already happened. There's nothing for you guys to do here. Do you get it any other pair? I mean, we can run through 2 or 3 or more of these, bro. I feel like just fast clicking these for you guys. It's the same shit every day, bro. Same shit every day. I'm in gold buys right now. Fire. No, I did not stretch yet, bro. That happens after stream more often than not lately. I'm just not waking up early enough because I'm going to bed later because we're trying to get a lot of work done. And but you know, boo fucking who, bro? I'm out here to be the best, not to be like everybody else. I did not stretch yet though. Okay, EU is not giving you guys entry yet. It's chilling though. Like it might, you know. So as of right now, we're sitting right here. Okay, just trigger happy, ready to go. If you guys want to ask my opinion, I would tell you not to use limit orders ever. As a scalper, a lot of time because of spread, most of the time because of spread, when it comes to right here, it puts you into the trade. When we're still waiting for these lows to break. And look what happens when it puts you in. Look at this candle right here. It put us in without breaking lows, and then it comes up to take you out. Breaking lows is needed, bro. You have to wait for the full break. So again, I would not recommend to use limit orders so you don't have to look at it. You're just gonna have to sit here and wait for your fucking entry, bro. Period. It's just how it has to be. Okay. Looks like entry is already going to happen here. I don't trade EU. You guys are just giving me the most beautiful setups of pairs I don't trade. But there's no setups on my pair, so it is what it is. I've already taken the 2 beautiful trades there was. You should make a trade chat for the free group too. That's what it is. You're in it. You are in it now. My boy messaged in the free chat group that I should make a free chat group. Okay, what do we got? 52 people here and 52 likes. All right, I'm cool with that, bro. Nobody else wants any other pairs to look at? We good to go? Let's run it. Okay, so, and make sure I won't make you guys do a giveaway based off of showing up, but if you guys learned something today, if you appreciate my time of me spending here with you, go tag me in a post on Instagram, bro. I'd appreciate it. Emmett.trades. And show some love. I am like really, whoa. I am really, really close to doing like 2 or 3 days with you guys here, and then the other half with my group instead of just one day with you here. So we have like 2 days in a row, you know. We can do like Monday, Tuesday, and then I can do Wednesday, Thursday, Friday with the group. And I'm honestly, oh my God, the big account won. Yes, bro. That makes me so happy. Good for you guys. The big account won. Would that be something you guys would be interested in? Would you guys be showing up if I came in here 2 days a week? 2, how many days a week should I be here? And remember, if you guys want to watch me every day, bro, I have my group that goes live on YouTube every day. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I don't know if I can do 3 because we have other traders too, but, you know. Who do you guys like to watch? Who do you like to watch on the streams? And the winner is Chris Van Der Merwe. Ha 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 ha. Good luck, everyone, for New Week. Yeah, good luck to all you guys for New Week. However, remember, my people, you don't need luck. You need to follow your fucking plan. Okay? Still haven't got entry here. Still haven't got to break a previous candle lows yet. Still just waiting for entry. Gold. Gold is about to get you out of here. 1 to 1.5. Nas. What's ES30 doing? ES30 is continuing its way up. Looks like it's going to go into 15-minute supply. Good exit on AU, fam. Okay, can you guys hear? Bro, I figured out why my mic was going out so much. It's fucking dead, dude. My mic is dead. That's why it keeps going out. Okay, and then good exit here on GJ, guys. Literally just exiting the same way you enter the market. Such an easy fucking concept, okay? At 9:30, so you guys got 3 minutes. Make sure you do your numbers. It's between 1 to 100. And today is the big enchilada. We will be doing 25K giveaway. We got 32 votes, and oh my God, you guys say 3 times a week. That's so fire, dope. I thought for sure you guys would be in the 1 to 2 range. People want me here, eh? We need Nightbot. Yeah, Nightbot will be on next streams. And remember, I will switch this Fortunes thing so it's not all blurry and shit, bro. I just kind of was rushing to hop on today, so. Okay, so US 30 got taken out and tapped into this 15 minute. And so you just have to see what happens. Still have 2 setups here, bro. You still have London highs and these 15 minute. Don't write your numbers right now. No, you can write your numbers right now. It's just not gonna it's not gonna count. I've been doing this too long, bro. I put a start here, and then anything above start here doesn't count. Anything below it does. I've been doing this shit for years, bro. y'all can't play the player. You can write. Y'all can do whatever you want though, bro. There's a system for everything. Nightbot pick the winner. Nightbot will be on next stream. Nightbot picks the winner too quick. It's not too fun. So proud of you, Daniel. Good job, bro. What happened to that? Nightbot picking the winner. What is my number? Oh, okay. It's just too fast, bro. It's boring. It's not a fun way to do. Oh shit, we're blasting past fucking everything here. And session opens in 1 minute, guys. So you might just want to relax on US 30. Maybe that's why I don't trade US 30. I haven't had good luck with it. I don't think. I've traded a couple. I just don't have that good luck with it. It's like, all right, stay away with what keeps me a 75% trader. Fuck US 30. NAS does. It just correlates better with my plan. Okay. You guys get ready here because you got about 3 seconds. Boom. You dig? All right, I got to pay attention now. Oh, they just start coming in so fast after a while, bro. I'm watching though. Who's gonna win the 25K? Ooh, somebody was really close. Oh, that's it. No way. Look, just for video evidence here. Congrats, my guy. We're gonna do a poll to make sure it's correct before I announce it. Hold on. Both of you. Which is funny. One person guessed the answer. 1, 2, 3 people after the person. 3 numbers after the person who guessed it first. All right. And the number was 22, by the way. Just give me a sec. Let me confirm. And I have a whole video recording. So when people come to my inbox, it's like, yo, you cheated or whatever the fuck, bro. It's all recorded now. So just make sure you come correct. You know? Make sure you're coming at me solid, bro. Sure as shit, bro. King, you won. King won the fucking shit. King 22 and then 1, 2, 3 Doozy Brendan hit 22 right after him, bro. Giveaway is done, son. 13, 20, 76, 7. Yeah, it's done, guys. Sorry. Done. Done. What is that from? Dun. Oh, it's a fucking Nickelodeon, bro. That's what it is. King, what did you had to do for Emmett to choose you? He called me, bro. I gave him my number a minute ago. He called me and asked me what was the number going to be so I can choose it. Actually, 22, just so you guys all know moving forward, maybe this will be something that could help you out in the future for a giveaway, whatever. My favorite number on this earth is 22. Okay? Do you want to know why? Because that is the football number that Emmitt Smith played with when he was in the league. And that's my mom's favorite number because obviously she's fucking obsessed with the guy. And it just ended up throughout the course of my whole life being my favorite number. So that's why I picked 22. Okay? But we're done here, fellas. This is it for the day. I appreciate you all for showing up. Yes, Aaron Smith is my real name. Emmitt Smith is my guru name. Just kidding. My name is Aaron Emmitt Smith. I'll show you. Oh no, I'm not gonna show you my ID. My name is Aaron Emmitt Smith. Emmitt is my middle name. Sure, that can justify it, even though it's rigged. Yeah, Eric, you're joking around, but people take that shit so seriously and message me like if you could just stop the bullshit. 'Cause it's really annoying. Especially like it's somebody like King is from my groups, and I was like, "Oh, it's rigged." You told me, "No, come on, bro. Let's keep it 100." Okay. I started with 22. Check properly. Oh, I did, my friend. No, here, Doozy, you check properly, bro. Press Control F and click 22. Click Control F and then press 22, and then it'll show you everybody who's clicked 22. I'm not rigging anything, bro. Okay, anyways, look how US 30 played out. It didn't play out. Yeah, it's brutal, bro. Super brutal. That thing is gone. But this is session open. You can't take a trade right at session open. Right at. I'll take a trade at 32. We will wait for tomorrow. All right, fellas. Love you all. I'm done talking about the giveaway. We have to do this every session. I love you all. Appreciate you all. I will be doing more than one day a week with Fortunes starting next week. Dependent on when I do that, you guys can be the deciding factor with me, but you have to go over to my free group and fucking tell me what you want to do, okay? So what I'll do is I'll put up a poll at the end of day today, okay? So send this to you guys. Boom. This is my free Discord channel. I'll put up a group by end of day today. I'm going to put all the days and times. I'll give you guys like 4 options of how I want to run my schedule, you know, and then you guys decide between these 3 options. And then whatever you decide will be held king next week. So we can have a little bit more time together and instead of just the one day a week. One, that'll help you guys out better understand my strategy, but 2, it'll also help me out better get you guys in tune with my strategy instead of starting from point A one time a week from all the new people coming in and such. You know what I'm saying? So it'll help us all as a collective. If you guys do want to get a challenge, do need discount links, that can all be found in my free channel that I just sent you over. The promo that is on right now for Fortunes is 20% off, 92.5% virtual profit split, and then 150% refund if you pass the fucking challenge, bro. Use promo code Sparta. And again, if you don't take a picture of this right now or forget about this, it's on the website. It is on my free channel. If you guys do plan on signing up here soon to trade with me next week or this week, whatever, I do have a link down here as well for you guys to sign up. It is also sitting, I think, in the thing that I always forget to put my own link in. So shout out to whoever's before me streaming on Fortunes, bro. If anybody ever signed up for my live, it goes directly to you because I've never put the right link until now. Now it's up. You're all good. But bro, make sure you guys join the Fortunes and let's get you funded. Same time every Monday as of right now. If you guys want to participate and when I show up for Fortunes, you want to have a say, well, go fucking join the group and have a say. Okay. Everybody have a fantastic day. I will see you Monday. Peace, bro.